Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Coaching Network. My name is Maria Medina. I am your business and networking coach, and I'm excited to promote an upcoming workshop that I have with a co host. We're going to be talking all about mastering time and giving you strategic tools to help you make the most out of your time, how to prioritize, get that toolkit done, get all those to do list items done, and also work on your schedule so that you make the most out of your time. But in order to help you do what you need to do in order to achieve your goals, you need to know what you're doing now. And a great way to do that is to start building those SOPs, which is why I have a co host during this workshop. And Jenny, why don't you tell us a little bit about what you'll be talking about?
Thanks, Maria. So, hey, everybody, I'm Jenny, an operations consultant for small founder led businesses. And I'll be covering that side of time management that most people overlook, which is your systems and documenting through your SOPs or standard operating procedures. So, we're going to learn about why and how documenting your key processes will make delegation so much easier, free up brain space, and help your team and your business run more smoothly without you. So, you'll leave with a straightforward framework for creating SOPs and how they can actually work for you and your team.
This is great whether you're a small business owner, solopreneur that's looking to grow, because it'll even help you hire virtual assistants. Or if you have a team that you're working with, it can also help you with that. But if you're managing a team within a corporation, feel free to also stop by. This can help you in any level in your career or in your business journey. Super excited to see you there.